take it out and wash it? Huh? Go take that out and wash it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen who view this video, this is 4G fixing the race car. When really and truly it's Marcus and Disaint fixing the real car. And the rest of 4G watching.
You just
Now,
reached.
as you can see,
Oh, you're going to need me there for the...
they're working on the water hose, and well, Breeze doesn't know what he's doing. And the president wasn't at the meeting yesterday. This is very good.
Yeah, website committee got through some crap.
And at the meeting, I heard that Conic created his own committee, so he could have a post on 4G.
So we tell you to read the post, you'd see that Marcus created.
It's a president elected.
President felt sorry for Conic and his fucked up car and gave him a post, i.e. fix the fucking website.
So we're on the website committee now.
So far, 3 people.
Yeah. And you. Say you want to be a part of it. Yeah.
This is bad luck of 4G. Take a good look.
Yo, good summer, someone.
Alright, now I'm going to continue examining the car, people. This is a 4G 15 engine. Interior. And we have the rest of 4G back here. See how helpful they are? They're ballasting out the car. Talking shit that makes no sense. And the rest of the 4G cars, all the way up. And all, you can't see my car. All the way down. Yeah. That came off. That came out. That came out.
The suspension in that. Yeah, that's what I said, they have to pull it again. Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
Some people need dandruff shampoo.
Like you know, you're done, you know. I didn't hear dandruff shampoo.
You know, I was wondering why I have an itchy feeling in my scalp.
Alright, as you can see. As you can see, Zen is trying to help out by taking out the water bottle.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, can't stop.
It's too high and it's not even
too fast, man.
Okay.
Alright, cut it.
This is 4G fix the car, take 1. Yo, somebody have that thing? I'll go. Alright.